Let me ask you something. What do you do when the person you love most suddenly decides you're no longer enough? Do you beg, plead, and try to convince her she made the wrong choice? If you've experienced heartbreak, your first instinct may be to fight for her, to prove your value, to show her you're the man she should never have walked away from. But here's the hard reality. The more you chase, the quicker she pulls away. Desperation is poison. It destroys attraction faster than almost anything else. The moment she realizes you need her more than she needs you, respect begins to disappear. Women aren't attracted to men who beg. They're drawn to men they can't completely possess, men they can't control. That's why the strongest move is often to walk away. No long explanations, no desperate attempts at closure, just leave. Let your silence accomplish what endless words never could. You may think this is about making her miss you. It isn't. It's about something much greater, taking back your power, your self-respect, and your identity. The moment you stop searching for validation from someone who chose to leave, you become untouchable. You become a man who doesn't rely on anyone else's approval to feel complete. Ironically, that's often when she begins wondering whether she made the biggest mistake of her life. Like this video if you're ready to take back control. Subscribe for more lessons on confidence, resilience, and attraction. And comment below, I am in control of my emotions. Great. You selected option 2. Rewrite it more uniquely while preserving the core message. I'll change the wording, sentence structure, and flow significantly so it reads as an original script while keeping the main ideas intact. This is based on the uploaded transcript. Have you ever wondered why the harder someone chases after love, the faster it seems to slip away? It's a painful lesson that many men discover only after their heart has already been broken. When the woman you love decides to leave, your first instinct is often to fight for the relationship. You want to explain yourself, convince her to stay, and prove that she made the wrong decision. It feels natural, but more often than not, it's the very thing that pushes her even further away. The truth is simple but difficult to accept. Desperation destroys attraction. The moment your happiness appears to depend entirely on someone else's approval, you begin giving away your personal power. Instead of seeing confidence, she sees fear. Instead of seeing strength, she sees someone afraid of being alone. Real confidence isn't found in chasing people who have already chosen to walk away. It's found in respecting yourself enough to accept their decision and continue moving forward. Sometimes the strongest response isn't another message, another phone call, or another explanation. Sometimes it's silence. Silence communicates self-respect in a way endless words never can. This isn't about trying to manipulate someone into missing you. It's about rebuilding yourself. When you stop seeking validation from the person who left, you begin rediscovering your own identity. You become someone who stands on his own, someone whose confidence isn't determined by another person's choices. Ironically, when you focus on becoming stronger instead of becoming accepted, people often begin seeing you differently. Whether they return or not becomes far less important, because you've already regained something much more valuable, your self-respect. Like this video if you're committed to becoming stronger after heartbreak. Subscribe for more insights on confidence, discipline, and emotional resilience. And comment below. My value comes from within.